coming to do one registered ED. But every time I come here, there's a long queue. And in this queue, finally the people who stand in the queue are sent back, saying that the system is down. Why is the system down for so many years, so many days now? They are not interested in this thing, giving service to the public. They are making the public cry here. They bring them here. They make them dance. They are standing in the queue. Even elderly citizens are standing in the queue. But nothing is happening. Every time you reach there to the spot, they say that it is not a system is down. So they blame the system. They don't blame the inefficiency of the department. It's an inefficiency of the department to have the system down for last 8 days. It's totally inefficiency.